Where did Nightiri go again? What are you doing? Nightiri. Baby, come. Come on, babes. Where's Penny? Come on, baby girl. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, good girl. Bella. Hi, baby. Oh, Penny using the bathroom. I give her privacy. Hi, baby. I can't see you. Hi, sweetheart. Where you going? You gonna explore Starside? Ah, you go pee-pee? Good girl. You better stop that. Nightiri. You bad. We eat. You. Ooh, you. Hi, sweetheart. Come here. Come here. There she comes. There she goes. Nice sunny Saturday morning. Penny. Penny. Come here. Are you sure? Ooh. Where you going? Penny? Penny? Little fatty. Hi, babes. Like a bunny. Come on, Penny. Everybody's over here. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Leave that. Leave that. Did you? No. What are these two doing? What are you doing, Bella? Nuh-uh. Why are you guys all messing with my cray stuff? I gotta hide it. Come on, babes. Come on. Come on. Bella. You're gonna get stuff all over your fur. Look at you. All dirty. Bella. Come on. Come on, puddings. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at you. You got all this stuff in your fur. Go over there. There she goes. Where's Penny? Ah, she's over there by the water hose. Inspecting everything, huh? Inspecting everything. Penny. Why is it so fussy? There's your mama. Penny. She's over there. What is she doing? Penny. Ignore me. That's what she's doing. Hi, Bella. Hi, Belle. Hello. How's the pretty girl doing? You guys ready to go in? You've been out here for about 15-20 minutes. Where's everybody? Ready to go in the house? Ready to go sleep? Hi, sweetheart. Okay, somebody was bad. She beat up Mama again. Mama, don't play that. Hey, Terry. What are you doing over there? Come here. No, she's chewing over there again. She's a little... You better. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Uh-oh. What's the matter? Come here, Bella. Come here, Bella. I'm right here, sweetie. Come on, good girls. And who's chewing my shoe? That could be only two. Okay, I guess it's time to go in. They've been out here a long time. Everybody say bye-bye. No nursing on your mama, Bella. Come here.